Love the optimism. But in my experience, when it looks bad, it's usually worse. Look out! Ah! Yuri!
I'm slipping!
Gotcha. Hold on! You okay?
Yeah.
Welcome to the party! Just in time for the fire! Looks like we made parole, boys!
Electro? Why is he letting everyone out?
I'll head for the main control center and see how bad the situation is.
Got it. I'll go join the party. Everyone just quietly go back into your cell and lock the door behind you, okay? Please?
Come on, guys! We can still win! Got a death wish? I can help with that! Let me show you what I've got! Gonna make you pay for that! No mercy!
That doesn't sound good.
Catastrophic event detected.
Oh, hi, Rhino!
Hope you like surprise, Spider!
Surprise? What is he talking about?
Unexpected power surge detected. Incident response team required. Unexpected power surge.
Hey, what's your status?
Me? Just trapped in a prison with every criminal I put away in the last week.
This is too good to be true.
Scorpion, can you hold on a minute? I was in the middle of a phone call and it was business.
Lost you for a second there. You okay?
Not really. Electro, Rhino, and now Scorpion are all on the loose. What's going on in the rest of the prison?
Camera system's almost up. I'll give you a sit rep soon.
Okay, I'll keep tracking Electro.
Go! Got a dead wish? I can help with that! Let me show you what I got! Let's go! Where that came from?
Phew.
Whoa! Come on, Spider-Man! I thought this was a chase!
Gotta stop this guy.
You can't stop me! But I'm flattered that you still try!
If you tell me who you're working for, I'll go easy on you. Nobody ever takes me up on that offer. Gotcha. What? Vulture.
Long time no see. We're going to have so much fun.
Sorry, no time to talk.
Still with me, huh?
Okay, I got the security cameras back online.
How's it look?
Well, it looks like the entire population of the raft has escaped, including Martin Lee. That makes 5 of your worst enemies that are now on the loose.
For a second there, I thought you were serious.
I am serious. I have to go. Some of them are heading into the city.
This is nuts.
Keep chasing. Party's almost over.
Electro! Stop!
How do you like my new suit?
Dashing. Where'd you get it?
It's an exclusive promo.
Remember!
He said not to kill him.
Good idea. In fact, we don't have to do this at all if you don't want to.
We definitely want to.
First and final warning. Stay out of our way. Each of you has a job to do. Your debts will be repaid when we're done. Go!
There he is!
All these years. All these lies. It's over, Norman. Time to give them the truth.
Hi, this is my new cake. I made this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share my video.